Okay, I just had to make another quick little video because, I mean, come on. People, shipping, packing, it's not rocket science. This is a, appears to be a Foodora, which is a, what, food delivery service bag. And inside is an HP Envy x360 laptop. It's going to be interesting to see what kind of condition this is in now. I mean, okay, granted, it is I bought it as defective and all that, but really, and a small little piece of handwritten saying "and be careful," PC, försiktigt. That's Norwegian for careful, and just put it in a bag, and okay. And a pizza box with napkins. What does he think I'm ordering? I mean, this is just... Actually, it's 2 pizza boxes. And the HP Envy x360 with a charger. Now, another funny note. Because this guy, he listed... I've never bought something so quick before in my life. I bought this, or it was listed, and under a minute later, I'd bought it. Because he listed it with a function called Köp nå, which is like buy it now. No questions, no nothing. I could just buy it. And for the price that he listed it, I'll say the price. I paid 200 for this. 200 Norwegian kroners. That's $18, something thereabouts. It was the laptop and 2 chargers. Now, the 2 chargers were in their own picture, the laptop in its own picture, and I just bought it. And about 5 minutes after I bought it, the seller, I bought it with shipping, so it came to just over 200 with shipping. The seller sends me a message and saying, "Oh, I forgot that I put 2 charges in there when I put the price. Could you send me another 100? I'd already bought it." Because, and I said, "Hey, the price is the price, but I don't need 2 chargers. Keep the one, but I'm not paying anything more." And I had to put him step by step through how to do the shipping because he thought I was going to come and pick it up. This guy hadn't sold on Finn before, that's for sure. But yeah, so it's supposed to have a crack in the screen. Oh yeah, there's a crack here. I can see that. I don't think I can get that to show up on camera. But just because I want to try. What's the power button on these things? There. Probably no charge. Okay. Oh, there is a charge. And it's working wow. Just make out the screen in the glass, or the crack in the glass. The screen's working just fine. But, okay, this is not, oh, well, it could be. Yeah, so there's actually 2 cracks. There's one going here and one going here. I'm damn lucky nothing else happened to it. And I didn't order a pizza. I ordered a computer. Turning it off. I mean, come on, guys. This is just ridiculous. A brown paper bag and 2 under a millimeter thick cardboard boxes that usually contains food or pizza. Stupid.